How to upload files and photos in Microsoft OneDrive in your phone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily upload different photos and files on your Microsoft OneDrive app. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up the OneDrive application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find the photos and files option right here, things that are or that have already been uploaded to your drive. Now, if you want to add more, you can just tap on the plus icon down below and then tap on upload. Now you can just go ahead and select any image you want. So what I'm going to do is just tap on any one of the image and then it's going to start uploading right here. Now once the image has been uploaded, you can find it across all of your devices if you're logged into the same OneDrive account. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.